Hi, this is how you perform a factory reset of the OnePlus Nord 3. Before you go ahead, make sure you have nothing currently stored on the phone that you want to keep, because in a few seconds it'll all be gone. Now, start by navigating to Settings and then pick Additional Settings almost down the bottom. Here, pick Backup and Reset followed by Reset Phone. Now select Erase All Data, enter your PIN code and then again select Erase Data followed by one more push on Erase Data to start the factory reset process. The whole process takes about a minute or two, after which the phone then restarts and boots up. If you're selling or getting rid of the phone, now is a great time to turn it off to let the next user input their own details when they get a hold of the phone. To turn the phone off here, just hold down the right side button and the volume up button on the left hand side and then drag the slider downwards. And that's that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.